Hi everyone, it's Shannon with Moringa Rose, and today we're going to be making cleaning sticks. So right now I've got my lye in ice cubes and a little bit of water. Melt those all down. So what cleaning sticks are is you can use them for dishes, you can use them for tough stains on clothes, counters, just about anything really. We use them as stain sticks. We use them from time to time to clean our counters, tables. And all it is 100% coconut oil. And we have 33 ounces of coconut oil. We're gonna have 0% super fat. I have 10 ounces of water and 6 ounces of lye. And we're going to be adding half an ounce of lemongrass, which we'll add now. Now the thing with cleaning sticks or 100% coconut oil soap is you have to be ready to cut it. It could take 2 hours or 3 hours, and it has to be cut immediately or it's going to turn into shreds. The only reason I add lemongrass is it adds a nice light scent. You don't have to add it. I do not add it for laundry detergent, but I do add it for cleaning, some of the cleaning bars at least. Fortunately, a stick blender adds a lot of air. But I'm not too worried as these are just going to be chopped up and used for cleaning. And what I do with my molds, I don't know if you can see, is I mark them off at 1 inch. So they'll be 1 inch by 1 inch. I always make a little bit extra, so if I need to make myself laundry soap or someone else asks for it, I could just shred it up into laundry soap. But if you want to see a video on that, let me know and I will make one. And that's it. That's cleaning soap. So I'll be back in about 2 or 3 hours and I will cut these. Well, we're back 2 hours later, and as you can see, these are hard. So usually what I do is I just clean up the sides. And once these are all cleaned up, you have cleaning sticks. Usually I'll put a couple in a little bag and people then can take them out and use them as they please. These I don't wait to cure for weeks. Clean that up in a minute. And then all these shavings will go right into laundry soap. And this is what I will end up at the end. You just move it around. It'll slowly break apart, and you can just put this in for laundry detergent instead of store-bought. And you end up with a bunch of cute little soaps. But these will be more for cleaning. Hi everyone, we're back the next day, and I want to show you how the stain stick works. Please ignore my nail. My goat broke my nail. They broke the fence, we caught them, and they broke off my nail in the process. And now that we're quarantined, can't go get my nails done. So here's your stain stick. Every day, squirt bottle with some water. Now my husband's a mechanic, so he plays in some nasty stuff. And these little containers, when I do buy laundry detergent, I don't use them, so I just reuse them. So we're just going to do a patch here so you can see how well these work. Now, if you're doing colors like pinks, reds, really bright colors, test it first in an area to make sure it's not going to completely strip your colors. But I don't know if you can see, that's nasty. But that's what I get being married to a mechanic. Okay. So now, I would normally wash this, but I'm going to go wash it in the sink and show you guys the difference. Okay, Okay, so I just rinsed it out. I don't know if you can see the difference here. I don't know how else to show you unless I dry this, which I don't think I'm able to show you well enough. And I don't want to have it spotty because I let the rest of it soak in. I don't know if you could see the difference here on this side and this side. Hoping you can. And if anything, I will finish treating this the best I can and show you the outcome. Okay, so I thought I'd get a different uniform and show you this stain so you really could see it, how it works. So this is down by his left sleeve. And I've tried other stain removers, some of them just don't work as well. Now I'll put this in the wash and I'll show you afterwards. Okay, so I thought I'd show you another way to use the stain sticks as well. Every day, scrub your stain stick, get it wet. This isn't going to have a lot of bubbles. This is not going to lather. I do not recommend washing your body with these. I do not recommend washing your hands with these. These are extremely drying, but that's what they're for. Clean. Easy peasy. And when you buy a set, it's going to come with in a 2-pack, which is just about 3.75 to 4 ounces. And as you can see, they're going to last a while. Just to make sure all the extra soap is, just like if you're lysoling or bleaching, I always go over with the wet cloth anyways. And I'll come back and show you how his uniform looked. Laundry's done! So I thought I'd show you. His uniform. You could see the parts that I really had scrubbed around. Fix that a bit. Sorry, guys. See the parts that I really kind of scrubbed around and focused on? You can see the part here where I really had focused. And I didn't really touch too much on all of it, which I'll do a different date. I just didn't want to bore you with an hour of scrubbing out most of these stains. Now, the other uniform with the dark black spot, right here. You can see there's a little bit of remnants left, but not a lot. And I've washed these before and that has stayed. No, it will not bleach your uniforms like this. Honestly, guys, I don't know what he got into. Half the time I never know. He just hands me his uniforms and asks me to clean them. And these are probably 8 months old, so this is me being able to keep up as much as I can with uniforms that are 8 months in dirt, grease, and grime. But I'm pretty happy with the way that they work and how well they work. From that dark black stain to just 2 little spots. I've tried sprays. They didn't work very well on his uniforms. I tried dry cleaning. That didn't never really work. So I'll just stick to doing that. Now, on a second note, with a lot of the stores being cleared out and everything going on, if you run out of soap or even cleaning supplies, message me. I will put these on my website for free. You just have to pay shipping. Either you'll receive a full bar of soap that I can't sell, or it's just not appealing. Like, this isn't very appealing, but this is just the leftovers from the month that had turned into these, which I called Indecisive. This is from a soap challenge club. As you can see, it didn't turn out very pretty. And I honestly had messed this up. Don't even know where I was going with that one. And these are just leftovers. If I have to guess how many ounces I need to use, if I'm playing with a new technique, the ends, I'll send you soap. Please just message me. For the time being, with all this going on, these will be at wholesale price. And the ugly soaps, I used to be an extreme couponer. I still do it from time to time. Will come in these. I got these for free. I know it's not Halloween, but I probably have 300 of these. I was giving them to schools for Halloween treat bags, and I don't really need them anymore. Please stay safe. Wash your hands for at least 30 seconds and message me if you need soap. I will hopefully be able to put the listing up tonight with the cleaning sticks. And I wish you all well. Thank you, guys.